Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring one of my favorite walks in London, starting right here on Waterloo Bridge, with one of the best panoramic views in the city. You've got the London Eye on one side, the Shard on the other, and St. Paul's Cathedral in the distance, and we are going to walk all the way there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do, and let's go!
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Bronze skin and cinnamon tans. Whoa, this ain't nothing but a summer jam. We're gonna party as much as we can. Whoa, hey, summertime alright. Hey, whoa, hey. Tonight, bodies wearing Prada skirts real tight. Temperature is rising, feeling real high in the heat of the night. Midnight, the party won't stop until the morning light. I'm scoping out the hotties with the light eyes. Be with me tonight.
Now we are heading down past the National Theatre, one of the UK's major performing arts venues. If you are ever in London, definitely check what's on here. Different plays, even free performances outside in summer. And this area is always buzzing with life, including street performers, artists, and of course, food. There are lots of street food stalls here. You'll find everything from Korean fried chicken to vegan burritos, and you can see everything yourself. And this is a perfect place to pause and take in the view. You can even see people down there walking right by the water. And when the tide is low, you can get really close to the river edge. Just take a look. Moving further, next up, Gabriel's Wharf. This quirky courtyard is like a little creative village in the heart of the city. It used to be a derelict site, but in the 1980s, it was transformed into a vibrant space full of independent boutiques, shops, cafes, and local designers. It's perfect if you are looking for something unique or handmade.
Stars in the black night, fuse tonight. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. fear can't divide us. Come on, let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Ooh, crossing the mountains high, playing with time.
Enjoy the moment, don't rush the day. Let your heart dance, close your worries straight. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. In the stillness, find your peace. Enjoy the moment, hold it tight. Like stars are shining, the quiet night. Let laughter lead and dreams ignite. This is your moment, live it right.
Steps, rhythm in the air, in this summer heat we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, we're chasing the waves, touching the sky, together we rise, no looking back.
And here we are, the Millennium Bridge, one of London's most iconic footbridges. It links the Tate Modern on the south bank with St. Paul's Cathedral on the north.
This is our time, a summer unknown. So wild and free, this is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night, we're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile, in this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown.
Still here, the night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night, glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile, in this moment we go wild.
Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes, we're feeling alive, like summer vibes.
And we've made it. This is St. Paul's Cathedral, one of the most famous landmarks in all of London. It was completed in 1710 after the original cathedral was destroyed in the Great Fire of London. Its massive dome is the second largest in the world, and you can even climb it for an incredible view of the city. St. Paul's has hosted huge national events, including the wedding of Prince Charles and Princess Diana in 1981. This spot, with its mix of history, beauty, and peace, is the perfect way to end this London riverside walk. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.